There is news to tell you about in the Rudy Giuliani defamation trial. Let's bring in NBC News justice correspondent Ryan Riley. Ryan, I am told we have a verdict.
That's true. The verdict just came in. The jury is coming in to the courtroom now. Judge Howell took the bench and told the parties that the jury has reached a unanimous verdict here. So in just a few moments, we should be finding out if this jury has imposed what Rudy Giuliani's lawyers have described as the civil equivalent of the death penalty here in this case, given the impact that could have on his life. Rudy Giuliani is not a rich man at this point in stage in his life. So it's a question of whether or not they'll be able to collect on those financial penalties that the jury will be imposing here shortly, and what the extent of those financial penalties are going to be. But, you know, if this is the civil death penalty, what I can tell you is, based on some of our other reporting, that Rudy Giuliani's last meal was a cheeseburger.
Indeed. Remind us, we've been talking multi-million dollars. What is it that they are asking for here?
So they're asking for $24 million for each of these plaintiffs, saying that's how much it would require to repair the reputational damage that was done to them as a result of these lies that were being spread. On top of that, the jury could impose an additional penalty to sort of discourage other people from committing this sort of conduct in the future, sort of to send a message, as the plaintiff's lawyer described here, that other people can't be spreading these baseless lies about innocent election workers who did nothing wrong, and making these bizarre claims when, you know, reality, the video shows them handing over a ginger mint, for example. One of the claims that Giuliani made was that they were exchanging a USB drive, and he compared them to drug dealers. And, you know, he also compared them to bank robbers at one point. That one of the plaintiffs in this case, Shay, argued that that's what Rudy Giuliani thinks of when he sees black people, when he's...
Thanks, everyone, for coming out. Ms. Freeman and Ms. Moss are going to give a brief statement, and they won't be taking any questions after. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Shay Moss. I spent 10 years as an election worker in Fulton County, Georgia. The lies Rudy Giuliani told about me and my mommy after the 2020 presidential election have changed our lives.
I am Lady Ruby. Today's a good day. A jury stood witness to what Rudy Giuliani did to me and my daughter.